Looking at the gold US dollar daily chart. Yeah, I want to do a top down analysis for the week. So looking at the chart now, you can see that the market is bullish. This is my diagonal support. This trend line here is serving as my diagonal support. This is an indication that we are currently bullish. You can see here from the trend line here, which is my diagonal ascending support. You can see our price was just using it as a diagonal support, and we can see that the last horizontal level we have here, this is the last horizontal resistance level here, which price gave us. We have a last horizontal resistance level here, which was a peak. After that, what happened? We have a collapse to the downside. This point here, market made a retracement again, but failed to get back to the high here. Rather, we had a lower high. It collapsed again to the downside, giving us a lower low. It was able to make a retracement here again, but still giving us a lower high. As you can see here, after it made a retracement, it came to this point here, giving us a lower high. I have here my horizontal resistance here and my diagonal resistance here. This trend line here is serving as my diagonal resistance, and this zone here is my horizontal resistance. So on my diagonal resistance here, I have the first and the second, which means the diagonal resistance have been established. That's why I have the trend line here. So I'm waiting to see if price will come again the third time. I will go for a sell, but price has failed to come here. So going down to the 4-hour chart here, you can see that from the 4-hour chart, after the price collapsed to this point here and made a retracement here to this point here, giving us a lower high. You can see that. What did the price do here? Price got to this point here, came down, collapsed to this point, made a retracement to this point, but this point is lower than this previous point here, which means I'm having more like a descending resistance here, or a diagonal resistance. So I have established my trend line here, which is serving on my diagonal resistance. So I'm hoping to see if price will come back again the third time to this point. I will go for a sell. I also have a flip zone here and a supply zone. If price come and hit this point here, I will go for a sell. I'll go for a sell here to the downside. So that is that. So I'll see you in my next video.